its relative closeness to the sun. Okay? And then we're going to talk about a couple of other aspects here in a minute. Alright? So it takes our planet 365 and 1/4 days to make a revolution around the sun. Of course, we call that a what? What do we call that? When it takes over 365 and 1/4 days to go around the sun, we call it a year. Right. The Earth itself is also spinning on its axis. Right? The Earth spins around on its axis once every 24 hours, and we call that a day. Right. So it's spinning while it's revolving. Okay, around. So every day, how much time we have the sun in space, right? We'll talk about specifics when it comes to that as well. Right? But this is important for our climate. Now that tilt, that axis, means certain conditions are going to exist on the planet that are kind of cool. For example, I'm going to list this one, okay? Oh, by the way, it's great if you wrote down the stuff on the first slide, special revolution. Don't write anything down unless I tell you right. Okay? I'm going to limit it. I just want you to listen to me. So I'm going to limit what you're going to have to write, the things that I know, because I wrote them, are going to be on the test. Okay? That way you pay more attention rather than trying to feverishly, talking to you, Alicia, copy down every single little letter that's up there. Okay? So, on this screen, you write nothing. Okay? I'm using this as an example because of this phenomenon. Okay? There are times of the year when the top of the planet is always away from the sun, or always what? Toward the sun. So as our Earth is rotating, right, what we find is we've got 24 hours of darkness or 24 hours of daylight. Okay, so this, if it's darkness, we call it a polar night, and if it's not, we call it a polar day. Okay, polar meaning cold. Is that what you think I mean by polar? Polar meaning what? Right, which we call the poles, right. A lot of people hear polar and they think, oh, polar bear, that means it's cold. And you know what, it is cold. But we don't call it polar. The word polar doesn't have anything to do with it being cold. We just say polar because on the poles it happens to be cold. Okay? So this is an example of that rotation, revolution, having an impact on climate. Okay? Now, if you'll notice, we're going to go back real quick here. Okay? Take a look right here. There are certain points when this line, see that? How it's not shaded on one side?
Okay. Yeah.
See that? Is shaded, not shaded, half, half. Okay? These are specific times of year, and they have to do with how the Earth is oriented towards the sun. Okay? So, I do want you to write this. There is a phenomenon called the equinox. Okay? It happens twice a year. And you should think of the word equal. Okay? Because what an equinox means is that the time between night and day is exactly equal. There's 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night.